Okay, because I wanted to show this set.
Best, but you're the worst. What the hell was we thinking? Compromise for no reason. Cause we ain't got in common. But why you gotta fight for nothing?
Okay, good morning. It is the next day. So today is going to be officially hair washing day. So I have my mask. I'm putting on my hair. It's the Awaken mask. And then I'm going to clarify it, then shampoo it, and then use a deep repair from our Carnaby Street line. So that is the mask on my scalp, and then I clarified my hair, then I washed it only a little bit, and then I put regular shampoo on it. So now I am about to dry it so then I can start installing the Microlocs in the front. I don't have the 3-way mirror for the back, so I'm gonna have to wait for that. I do have this mirror right here so I can look for both sides of my head. But the 3-way mirror is just gonna have to wait for the back, and that's okay. With the New Year's, I think everything is just like really slow. It says it wasn't arriving until Friday, which is a-okay with me. But see, I already started like some on my hairline, because the hairline, I don't really care. Not like I don't care, but like the hairline's not like, I just want to see real quick if it looks crazy from the back. Like, does my hair look crazy thin? I mean, I know this part is cut, but like up here, does it look weird? Okay, I'll look at it. Camera, it is the first of the month, and I made a New Year's resolution to to record each day and try to post it each day on YouTube. I know it's kind of recording each day is cool. Editing and posting each day is very difficult. So I'm gonna try to do it. So be very sick of me. Okay, so it is the next morning, January 2nd. I am about to go outside to do a bike ride with Ollie on the back. We got like a baby attachment. Okay, Ollie is all done. A bunch of tears later, and I finally got it. It's very frustrating. Never recommend. 0 out of 10. Camera, but this is what we're doing. Watch out your leg, Ollie. All right. You see us coming? Okay. And Ollie on the back. Yay! Okay. We're gonna go farther. I just got my mirror. 2026. So this is what she's looking like. Let me take it out so you can get the. I'm obsessed with her. Okay, so let me give you a better look. Obsessed. And then I can go to the side. Okay. Now it's kind of giving wicked witch. But obsessed. A little less. Okay, and then for open. Okay. Wait. Open, remove protective film. Too many. Beautiful. Hi, baby. I wanted to show you the newest addition to my vanity, my favorite area right now. Here she is. Okay. Hello. I wanted to come on here and basically say I don't think I will be recording anymore until I am uploading videos, because I have a ton of videos on here that I have not uploaded to any socials. So I wanted to show you the newest addition to my vanity, my favorite area right now. Here she is. Are we obsessed? Oh, don't zoom in. I just want to go up. Girl. There she is in all of her beautifulness. So watch this. Off. Low. Medium. High. She's just gorgeous. Okay. Now back to me. Anywho, so yeah. I do want to finish my hair. That is definitely on my to-do list. I have the front. So it's been like this for like a couple of days, but I have the front done. I mentioned it in the other video. Okay, so the front is done. It's giving very boneless, you know. She's doing her thing, but yeah, she's just here.